Pirates putting belt to motherfucking ass to the Mets for the sweep. Sweep.
138 should proceed.
Just because you be seeing me at Crawfish Cafe don't mean I'll be out here.
I'm not trying to say we're the good luck charm, but I think we're the good luck charm. Anyways,
I'm the good luck charm.
oh, Gianna's the good luck charm. Plus,
All over the stadium.
like in these tunnels.
Yeah, everywhere. You should see the field from there.
Oh, let me see your name on here.
Fans seated in the lower level baseline boxes, dugout boxes, infield boxes, left and right field boxes, as well as the home plate club, should proceed to the main concourse and find the nearest staircase or rotunda to lead you safely outside. Fans seated in the bleacher sections 133 through 138 should proceed to the General Robinson Federal Street entrance. Fans located in the outfield boxes, section 139 through 147, and Picnic Park should proceed down the steps to the Riverwalk.
Okay, so tell us who we're playing today.
Or center field gates.
We're playing the Mets.
Got a win last night. Can get a win again today.
Don't get it confused. Just because you be seeing me at Crawfish Cafe don't mean I'll be out here. I'll be out here, you heard?
And World Series suites should evacuate through the nearest access tunnel to your designated stairway or rotunda out to Mazeroski Way, General Robinson with Federal Street exits. Fans seated in the bleacher sections 235 through 238 and left field lounge should evacuate the stairs.
Yeah, we were right there yesterday. We were right there yesterday for a drone show that they did up here. If I have any footage, I'll put it in, but yeah.
Under no circumstances should you go onto the field. Please don't interfere with baseball if they're still in play.
A kangaroo stole my ball.
Throwing any objects on the field is strictly prohibited. Please be considerate of the
Okay.
Oh,
I can slide. Do you want your drink? Or no? We're at the Pirates game today. They play the Mets, and as you can see, there's 1,000. It's not right in my face.
It's not right in your face.
So many. Ooh, so many people. Look at how pretty the Three Rivers are. Yeah, it's really This is one of the most beautiful parks I've ever been to. So we're gonna go get some drinks right now, and then we're gonna go over to our seats. Have a good time, but there are so many Met fans that I don't know if I'm with it. And it's hot. Really, really hot right now. Let me see if I can find any Hayes jerseys. That's my goal. Oh yeah, what's going on now?
Rain delay.
Rain delay?
But we're fine.
We are. Rain delay. Chuck's trying to go home. Oh, that's good. That's from yesterday? So let me show y'all the people out here who are just waiting for the game to start back up. Some of these on, but some of them don't. Like, he has a hat on. And then everybody is like under the partitions, like trying to wait for the rain to stop. But the city's clearing up because before you couldn't even see that stuff. And now you can see it more. What people? Oh yeah, they have ponchos on. All right, give us an update. What's going on?
Nothing. I'm looking at pictures of Key Bryant.
Trying to go home? Trying to catch the Uber?
30
No.
minutes, at 5 o'clock, if they ain't playing, I'm going home.
That's messed up. We should try to wait. I hope we can like try to wait it out. It looks like it's slowing down. It was really hot.
It's about the lightning and the thunder.
Okay, the lightning and the thunder. But yeah, very beautiful background.
It's lighting up.
But you can see the city now. Before you couldn't see the
It's the wind's not blowing. The wind is going, the rain is going straight down. Look how hard it is. It's raining hard. There's another snake. What, more below there?
All right. So that's a nice little insert from the show is what? Is he walking? Oh yeah, we love all the hate.
That motherfucker just had Tommy John something.
We love all the haters, but yeah, so it's a rain delay right now. But that comes with baseball. It's just been crazy weather though, like crazy weather. Anyways, I'll have another insert. Well no, I'm not walking around the park because everybody is in the area.
Everybody up there.
Yeah, so I'm not walking, I'm staying in my seat. But I will give y'all a tour. And I also had a video where I gave a tour one time, so I might not give a tour. We'll be back.
I could be good sleeping right now with it rain. Rain and sleep together.
I think that's down.
It's still raining.
You want some hot dog? Hey y'all, so we are going to our third Pirates game. Got my family with me. And I keep them with me. Anyways, we're going to the Pittsburgh game. Pittsburgh Pirates against the Mets. And I tell you, there's been more Mets fans than anything. Like more Mets fans than Pirates fans. But yeah, we're so excited to see Key play. He's been doing really good these last couple days that we've been here. So it's always great to see. Are we gonna get another dub today? Yep. I'm not trying to say we're the good luck charm, but I think we're the good luck charm. Anyways.
I'm the good luck charm.
Oh, Gianna's the good luck charm. Plus, she's been seeing Zara, so she's in a better mood. She's gonna be so sad when we gotta leave Zara, y'all. Gianna does not want to go to Washington, D.C. We're trying to make memories with her, and she's trying to lay up with a dog all day. This video has been all over the place, and I'm so sorry, but let me give a little bit backstory to this. So we come to PNC Park to see the Pirates play because my brother-in-law plays for the Pirates. Team Hayes, baby, all day. But we like to come in through like the general admission also. Like, of course, we go in through the tunnels and all that, like where the players and the families go through. But we like to go through this way too because like you see so many fans, you meet people, and just it like humbles you because sometimes people come to these games and it's like it's their dream to come to their games. This is like my brother-in-law about to hit right now, but he's gonna do like a few swings so I can keep talking. No shade, Key, no shade. But yeah, he actually made a hit. I think he hit and got a run, 2 runs in or something like that. I'm not sure, I don't know much about baseball, but we always record our family videos, and now that our daughter's getting older, we want to record more. And so we started recording longer videos. Like I would always do like snippets of like maybe a 3-minute video of our vacations and stuff. But I'm like, that's not enough to capture like everything that we do. And then people always like what we do. So I'm like, I always take a million pictures, but videos are different because you can hear the voices, you can see how we were acting, you can see what we were wearing. I could be like, why did I wear that? Like I'm looking back at this video and I was like, why did I wear that? Jeez Louise, it looked horrible. But anyways, I hope y'all like the video, and he's about to get his hit and you're gonna hear screaming.
Oh, Gianna said this is the second pitching game this season. They're all a little off out there right now. Tomball, Texas, baby. Look at him putting Tomball on the map. Right there. Right there. Drop. Gianna was like, we should do an update. And I said, okay. So then she cleans the camera and she hands it to me. And I'm like, you wanted to do an update, not me. So what's your update?
The update is the Pirates putting belt to motherfucking ass to the Mets for the sweep.
What? BTA. BTA, y'all know what that means. He has a lot of hits. I lost count. He's gone up to bat 4 times. People have made a lot of home runs, so the fireworks and stuff went out. It's actually been a really good series.
It's been lit.
It's been lit. I think it's because of us.
Hell yeah, it is because of us.
It's because of us. So we've enjoyed it, and our time in Pittsburgh is coming to an end. We're gonna go do some stuff inside the city. We'll take y'all for that. But other than that, we're just here, enjoying the game. Enjoying the views. Hey, don't copyright me on the music, YouTube. Don't do it. But yeah, they might. We're in the shade, so it's nice. The only thing is the air is really not moving, but we're about to leave in a minute. See y'all later. Oh, I was gonna say Pirates in 3, but we've already finished the series.